So we're on the St. Clair River today, which is a strait that connects Lower Huron, Lake Huron to Lake St. Clair. And we came down here to chase these walleye. You know, we started early in the day out in the shipping channel, out in the southern part of Lake Huron, thinking that those fish had, migrated down and they were going to maybe overwinter there before they come into the river to kind of hang out before they spawn. But there was nothing out there really. So in those kind of instances where those fish aren't really where you expect them to be, we had to start looking. So we came into the river, we found a tributary that was pumping some dirtier water. And even though the water in here is 3 degrees cooler than what's on the lake, which is really surprising to me right now, the fish were in this dirtier water, probably made them feel a little bit safer and maybe, feed a little bit better in here. So we've been catching these fish in 12 to 35 feet of water. But just a tip that, when those fish aren't where they should be, we talk about the migration in the past, we talk about where they should hold. They are going to go to where they feel safe and where they're going to find some better conditions. So, you don't want to fish memories, you always want to look for better conditions for those fish.